Hello folks, it's me again. If you're watching this video, it is probably 2024 and I'll probably put this out at like 12:01 or 12 o'clock. January 1st, 2024. We made it a full revolution on the sun. First thing I'm going to say, don't, like every other video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, leave a comment, and Happy New Year, folks. Welcome to 2024. Hopefully hopefully the end of the world hasn't come. We lost another revolution, and hopefully I get some more subscribers on my channel, and we get to a part in life where maybe I'll get monetized this year and, have a couple of thousand more subscribers. Or maybe my channel will go viral because it's so like, yeah, whatever. I don't know. I know I don't have the greatest channel, but you know what? Hey, I'm having fun doing it. I'm enjoying it, and I'm just me doing whatever. So, Happy New Year. Hope everybody has a safe New Year. Don't drink and drive. Don't do all that stuff. I've been a firefighter for many years, and I've seen what happens when people drink and drive. A lot of them get home safe, and some of them don't get home at all. And what else? I don't know. What do I got in store for this year? Same stuff. Just gonna continue on my channel. Basically, what kind of channel am I? I've been told I'm a tool channel and a shop channel. Basically, I'm a whatever the hell I feel like doing channel. So my tool channel, vlog channel, I still got tool reviews, and that's pretty much it. So Happy New Year. Welcome to 2024, and like, subscribe, watch a whole video, let it play in the background, tell me how you like it, leave a comment, try to be nice to each other, and hopefully we'll have a good year. And if anybody has any cool suggestions, comments, or whatever, maybe this week I'll try to work on a highlight of 2023 highlights. I got so many videos, I don't know what to highlight. They'll just be like, go watch some old videos. Anyway, I'm going to cut this out at 2 minutes, make it short, and I'll stop. Because I know somebody's going to make fun of me as I talk in the videos. So, thanks for watching. Toodles. Don't forget to like, subscribe.